Located just past 75 is a multifamily property. Today we're going to tour a property that's sitting on 5 acres. This property is pretty unique, so it'll make a great investment property, multifamily property. It has 2 single-family homes on a 5-acre parcel. Block homes with metal roofs. It also includes an in-ground pool. Let's go check it out. Heading back to the property, we have a pretty long easement to go down in order to reach the property. This offers seclusion on this 5-acre tract. Once we enter the property, we are greeted by a gate for the added security. This property has 2 single-family homes, block construction, with metal roofs. Each home has its own well and septic. The wells on this property are fairly new. Secluded 5 acres. First property we come to is a 1-story single-family home, under air square footage around 970 square feet. Florida room with an indoor pool enclosure. Oh, check out the hummingbird in the tree. That's cool. This property has a screened-in wraparound porch, metal roof, it is in need of some repairs, needs a new AC system, and the indoor pool needs some attention. This property has been treated for termites recently. Main living area. Corian countertops. Appliances included. Closet washroom inside. This single-family home has 2 bedrooms with 1 full bath. This bedroom walks out to the wraparound porch. This bedroom walks out to the indoor pool. The lining on this pool is fairly new, but there is a small leak around the light that needs to be repaired in order to fill it up. Boiler room. This is the second single-family home, which is 2 stories. Fenced-off pastures. Newer AC system. The well for the second home. Large chicken coop. Water softener system. We also have a horse stall. When you're back at this property, all you hear is the birds chirp and just the sound of nature. Such a peaceful place. This is the interior of the 2-story home, currently occupied. Downstairs bedroom. Upstairs bedroom. This property has 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bath. The full bath is downstairs. Don't miss your opportunity on this one-of-a-kind property. Schedule your showing today. Look forward to talking with you, and God bless.